Hello everyone. Welcome to this video about the latest development in natural language processing, GPT-4. In this video, we will be discussing what GPT-4 is, how it works, and its potential applications. So, what is GPT-4? GPT-4, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer 4, is the latest version of the GPT series of language models developed by OpenAI. It is a deep learning model that is trained on massive amounts of text data to generate human-like language. GPT-4 is expected to be even more powerful than its predecessor, GPT-3, which is already widely used in various applications such as chatbots, text completion, and language translation. But how does GPT-4 work? Like other language models, GPT-4 is trained on a large corpus of text data. However, what sets it apart is the size and quality of the data it is trained on. GPT-4 is trained on an enormous dataset that includes web pages, books, and scientific papers. This helps the model to learn and understand language at a deeper level, enabling it to generate more natural and coherent responses. One of the exciting features of GPT-4 is its ability to perform a wide range of language tasks. It can be used for language translation, text completion, text summarization, question answering, and even content creation. With its advanced language capabilities, GPT-4 has the potential to revolutionize the field of natural language processing. Moreover, GPT-4 is expected to be faster and more efficient than its predecessor. This means that it will be able to generate responses more quickly and accurately, making it more suitable for real-time applications such as chatbots and virtual assistants. To sum up, GPT-4 is the latest and most advanced language model developed by OpenAI. It is trained on a massive amount of data and can perform a wide range of language tasks. With its advanced capabilities, GPT-4 has the potential to transform the field of natural language processing and bring about new innovations in artificial intelligence. We are excited to see what applications will emerge from this powerful new technology. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you found it informative. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.